Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you my collection obsession, and I'm going to move everything off of here. Okay, I am using the Simple Stories. Is it called Remember? Yes, it's called Remember. I thought it only says it over here. And this is just a unique color palette that I just thought, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it's not something that you see all the time. Now, it's kind of in memory of somebody, but I will not be using it really as that. In fact, again, I have no idea when I'm going to scrapbook. It happens every time. And here's the sticker sheet that came with it. Okay, and then I'm going to go through the papers. This one's called I Always Remember. I just think it's real pretty. It's like, I used to have a dress like this. And this one is, I think that's actually a line in there. It says, Always Remember. This one is Beautiful Legacy. It's like that little line in there threw me. So here's the back. So you got your floral and then the simple pattern. This one's called My Heart. Another beautiful floral. And gingham. This one's Beyond Blessed. All the butterflies. And then a tone-on-tone or real monochromatic sketch type of layout, kind of like if you're looking through a botany catalog. This is Sweet Memories. This is truly my favorite one. Love that. And here's that same simple pattern as on, I think, the second paper. This one here. And this one is So Loved. It's got all the different little frames with words in it. And then a little floral. And this one here that looks like a hanky. It's called Little Details. And then this kind of a golden, it almost looks like baked bread color. It's a little tiny flower. And this is the tag element. And those are always so pretty, and that's I really need to learn how to use them better. And then this one is journaling element. And this looks like little wishes or dandelion. I always think of them as little dandelion wishes. And this one is the 3x4 element. Another floral. And this one is the 2x2s and 4x4s. It's really pretty with that kind of bluish gray background too. And then little tiny hearts. And this is 4x6 elements. Does it seem like they got more elements than ever before? I don't know. So there's those. This is really pretty. Okay, and then the little tiny, it's almost like a little bud pattern. And then I thought I'd put in some of these wood grains that I just got. So ones that I thought would go well with the pattern. So let me just pull something up that you can see the colors. So I pulled out this one that's kind of a butterscotch color. And it matches that pretty well. Let's see, I think I had 3 that were very close. So I thought, I guess really all these 3 are kind of like shades of this flower right here. So I thought any of those would be good. Then of course we got the backgrounds, but it's not my goal to use those, it's my goal to use these. And then I thought even this here worked well with the colors. So I could always use that, but I do love this most. But this is the one I pulled it for. Okay, but who knows? Sometimes, you know, you end up using what you don't think. So there's those. Let me see. I want to go back to maybe the first sheet. Okay. And I guess I can use that there. So then I also have the words, the foam words, which are one of my favorite things because, you know, I'm kind of throwing a fit about the, every time you buy letters, you don't get enough E's and R's or whatever. So I love it if I can have words. So that's them. And I did buy the Rub-Ons. I do like them. I really have to put them in front so I remember to use them because otherwise I forget. And I have one set of journaling bits. So I think you can see that pretty good. And floral bits. And that's them there. So I tried not to buy everything because then it's like it's just too much. But I actually prefer the die cuts to the stickers. And then I got the brads, which I love having brads. And I keep saying I'm not going to buy any more washi, but the washi was so beautiful I bought that. So here's the brads, and they're really pretty. They have the typewriter, they have a little piece dove. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I just love the color palette because it's just not something that you see all the time. So I stuck this in with my brads, and I'm going to put it back in there because that is the only way that I remembered that I have washi tape because it's not in the same pack. Oh, and I got one too many washis. Okay, this is what it came with. 5 washis, and they are pretty. This is that one background that's really subdued, tone on tone. They got the little hearts, they got the floral, they got that little tiny floral pattern, and the gingham. So that's, you know, flowers, gingham. They kind of got me there. So that's it for today. Everybody else that is playing the Collection Obsession, they will be listed below and with their links to theirs. And go in and check them out and see what everybody's playing with this month. Now last month I only got 3 layouts done, but I may try to get in another one. I mean, eventually I will. I know sometimes I end up doing 2 or 3, you know, later on. So, but hopefully I'll get caught up on that. And thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.